Question number 1. What were the demands of the Congress in the early years? Answer. In its early years, the moderate phase the Indian National Congress demanded I. Greater representation of Indians in the government and legislative councils. E. The holding of the civil services examination in India instead of just London. E. Reduction of taxes and military expenditure. F. Freedom of speech and expression. Question number 2. What led to the formation of associations in India? Answer. The formation of political associations was driven by I. The growth of modern education and Western ideas of democracy. E. Dissatisfaction with repressive British policies such as the Vernacular Press Act and the Arms. Question number 3. Why did Indians help the British in World War I? Answer. Many Indian leaders and the public supported the British during World War I because they hoped that in return for their loyalty and sacrifice, the British would grant self-government Swaraj or significant political reforms after the war. Question number 4. How did the British destroy the Indian economy? Answer. The British weakened the economy through several methods. I. The industrialization, importing cheap machine-made clothes from Britain, which destroyed the local handloom industry. E. Drain of wealth, transferring Indian resources and tax money to Britain. Question number 5. Who were revolutionaries? Answer. Revolutionaries were radical nationalists who believed that armed struggle and force were necessary to overthrow British rule. Famous examples include Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Rajguru.